this pose is one of the easy inversions within yoga. Very good one for beginners, very straightforward one for beginners. The pelvis is above the level of the heart, and the heart is above the level of the head as a basic. It's a good pose if you suffer, as a lot of people do, from lower back tension or discomfort. And again, it's one of those surprisingly relaxing poses. Supported bridge. So how to get into the supported bridge? Just lay down with the brick to hand or the block to hand in a semi-supine position, that's lying on your back. Your feet about hip socket distance apart, parallel to each other's, arms down by the side. And then from there, you just squeeze in the bum cheeks, tilt the pelvis back and raise up. So as a basic, we've got a straight line between the shoulders, the pelvis and the knee. And then we put a block underneath the buttocks, underneath the pelvis, top part of the pelvis. Make sure that's not on the lower back. And relax the arms down by the sides. Supported bridge. You can make it less intense by having the block lower, flatter. Conversely, you can make it more challenging by having the block higher, maybe even much higher, maybe lengthways, if that's available to you. The feet flat. And again, that can be intensified by then, you really want to make it harder. Straighten the legs out in front of you to stretch the hip flexors off. This really opens up the front of the body. Now, although we say to make it harder, it may be you start off with the tamer version, and as tissues give, as the hip flexors relax, you can then take it into maybe perhaps a more challenging version. Supported bridge.